Hello and welcome back to Learning English Pro. It is time to add some flavour to your English vocabulary with this lesson on condiments. This video will also include dips, dressings and lots of tasty things you can add to your food, along with some additional vocabulary and helpful English words. Make sure to check out the word list in the description below, and after the video head over to the community tab on my channel and check out quizzes and other informative English learning tools I have posted there just for you. And if this is the first time you're visiting my channel Learning English Pro, you're very welcome. My name is Jer and I'm narrating your lesson today. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's jump right in with a definition on this word, condiment, our subject for today's video. A condiment is a substance such as salt, mustard or pickle which is used to add flavour to food. Our first condiment is ketchup. Repeat after me. Ketchup. Ketchup is also known as catsup in some southern US states, and in British English it might be referred to as tomato sauce. And did you know there are different types of ketchup, such as mushroom ketchup, grape ketchup, mussel ketchup, and walnut ketchup? Our next condiment is definitely my favourite, mayonnaise. Repeat after me. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise can be sometimes shortened to simply mayo, and it can come in lots of interesting flavours, such as garlic, basil, spicy, and lemon. Let's move on to our next condiment, which is mustard. Repeat after me. Mustard. When it comes to ketchup, there are lots of different varieties available. Let's take a look at some. First up, we have Dijon mustard, which comes from France. English mustard, which comes from the UK. American or yellow mustard from the US. And also from the US, there is spicy brown mustard. Whole grain mustard, which originated in ancient Egypt. And finally, honey mustard, which is quite popular in the US. What's your favourite type of mustard? Let me know in the comments below. Let's move on to our next condiment, which is hot sauce. Repeat after me. Hot sauce. Hot sauce is made of chili peppers, and there are lots of different varieties and brands available around the world. One of the most famous brands is Tabasco sauce, which originates in America and was created in 1868. Our next sauce comes from Mexico, salsa. Repeat after me. Salsa. Salsa is used as a condiment for tacos, and it is used as a dip for tortilla chips. So what does this word dip mean as a noun? Let's take a look at the definition. A dip is a thick sauce in which pieces of food are dipped before eating. Another famous dip from Mexico is guacamole. Repeat after me. Guacamole. And of course, guacamole is made with fresh avocados. Moving on, our next condiment comes from China, soy sauce. Repeat after me. Soy sauce. Soy sauce is made of fermented soybeans, and it is known for having a distinct umami flavour. Let's move on to our next condiment, which is horseradish sauce. Repeat after me. Horseradish sauce. This plant comes from the root of the horseradish plant, and it is typically served with roast beef. A very similar condiment from Japan is wasabi. Repeat after me. Wasabi. This green paste is often served with sushi and is made from Japanese horseradish. Our next condiment can be found in most homes throughout the world. Olive oil. Repeat after me. Olive oil. Olive oil, of course, comes from the Mediterranean cuisine and is farmed from olive trees. Our next sauce comes from the southern United States. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. This can also be shortened to BBQ sauce. Barbecue sauce is typically served with all types of meat, and it can also be used as a marinade. A marinade is a sauce or mixture in which meat, fish or other food is soaked in before cooking in order to flavour or soften it. Let's move on to our next condiment, which is tartar sauce. Repeat after me. Tartar sauce. This sauce from France is typically served with seafood. Up next we have ranch dressing. Ranch dressing. Now, what exactly is a dressing? Well, a dressing is a sauce for salads, typically one consisting of oil and vinegar with herbs or other flavourings. Now, ranch dressing is a bit different. This American dressing is made of buttermilk. It's a pretty new recipe, only being created in the early 1950s. Our next condiment is found throughout the world. Salt. Repeat after me. Salt. Salt is essential for human health. The most typical way salt is served throughout the world is a salt shaker. Salt shaker. And usually beside the salt shaker is the black pepper. Black pepper. Black pepper is the world's most traded spice. And this is because it is one of the most commonly used spices in the world. Let's take a look at some sweeter condiments. Up first we have honey. Repeat after me. Honey. And of course, honey comes from bees and is collected from a beehive. Another sweet condiment is jelly. Repeat after me. Jelly. And this is what is called in American English. In British English, it is called jam. Repeat after me. Jam. It can also be referred to as a preserve. Another type of preserve is marmalade. Repeat after me. Marmalade. Marmalade is a jam or jelly that's made from citrus fruits, like an orange or a lime. Another type of sweet condiment is chocolate spread. Chocolate spread. And something very similar to chocolate spread is Nutella. Nutella. Nutella is a brand name from Italy, and it is known for containing hazelnuts, and it was created in 1964. And that brings us to the end of this English lesson on condiments. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what your favourite condiment is. And if you're looking for more tasty English vocabulary, you should head over to my YouTube channel, which is full of lots of different English vocabulary lessons on lots of interesting and varied topics. Coming up on screen are some video suggestions just for you, and hit the link on screen now to subscribe to my channel. That just leaves me to say I hope you have a fantastic day, and remember, keep learning English like a pro.